Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Shreya's Safari. Today I am taking you along with me to CF Pacific Center in downtown Vancouver, one of the most popular malls right in the heart of the city. So let's walk in together and check out all the amazing stores. As soon as we enter, you will spot brands like Lucid, Sunglasses, Hut, and Aritzia. Perfect for everyday basics and trendy fits. Also have luxury stores like Mara and Marella. And then diptych for beautiful candles and fragrances. Right next to it is Mackage. So if you are planning a ski trip or heading to the mountains, you can find some really warm, stylish jackets here. Moving ahead, we have Harry Rosen, Aldo, and Maje. Maje is great if you are looking for something elegant and spatial. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any fancy occasion because the pieces here are definitely on the luxury side. Next up is Canada Goose. You'll find everything from classic parkas to lightweight jackets. If you are living in Canada or planning a cold weather trip, their jackets are super reliable for mountains and winters. And here we have the Joe Malone for premium fragrances. I have actually posted a full tour of this store on my channel. So feel free to check that out after this video. Alright, let's head downstairs now. Downstairs we have Dynamite, my go-to shop for tops, dresses and affordable everyday outfits. Garage is right here too. They are actually sister brands, so you will notice a similar young casual vibe. Then we have RW and Co, Wilfred, Abercrombie and Fitch, Coach, AllSaints, Lacoste, Weekend Max Mara and Michael Kors. The latest scoop is also here. Love this store for cute trendy pieces. Next to it is Spade, Karaoke End, where you can always find some adorable items. Moving along, we have Hollister, great for casual, beachy, comfortable everyday outfits. If you like soft hoodies, relaxed jeans, and that classic California vibe, this is the place to shop. Then we have Lush with that amazing smell from outside the store. Then we have Steve Madden, perfect if you are looking for trendy footwear, boots, or bags. Right next to it is Moose Knuckles, known for their ultra warm, high performance jackets that are perfect for Canadian winters and mountain trips. And then we have Sandro Paris, offering premium elegant pieces if you are in the mood of something luxury and chic. Then there is Lavi and Rose for comfy nightwear and cozy slipwear. Then we have Browns, Bath and Body Works, where you will find candles, lotions, and all those amazing seasonal fragrances. Babaton is here too, great for minimal, classy pieces and elevated basics. Then we have Aldo for everyday footwear and accessories, and Skechers if you are looking for super comfortable walking shoes. Moving ahead, there is Banana Republic with polished workwear and modern classics. Dyson, Psycho Bunny is right here as well, known for their premium polos and bold branding. We also have L'Occitane, perfect for skincare and body care, with that fresh, spa like vibe. Purdy's Chocolate and Louise, Victoria's Secret. Then you will see Blue Ruby for trendy jewelry and Ray-Ban for those classic iconic sunglasses. We also have Club Monaco for clean, polished everyday outfits and Oxford for modern minimal fashion. And then there is Roots, known for cozy hoodies and classic Canadian essentials. Moving ahead, we have Pandora with their beautiful charm bracelets and delicate jewelry pieces. Saje is right here for essential oils and wellness products. Avenue offers classy outfits that work perfectly for events or evenings out. Swarovski brings all the sparkle with crystal jewelry and elegant gift items. And finally, Sephora, your one stop shop for makeup, skincare, and fragrance. Basically, all things beauty. And that's pretty much the full walk through the CF Pacific Center for today. I will be covering the whole trend-through side of the mall separately in my next video. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that one. Thanks for walking with me. See you in the next video.